This is Chuck Rapp with a word of encouragement for village church planters. In my previous message, I shared about the importance of speaking the truth in love, and I closed with the following comment. Be willing to address difficult issues and to correct others when needed. As you do this, wrap your message in love. Have their interest, and most importantly, the interest of Christ's kingdom in mind when you do so. Galatians 6:1 instructs us, brothers and sisters, if someone is caught in a sin, you who live by the Spirit should restore that person gently, but watch yourselves, or you may also be tempted. Today I want to share a suggested method for giving this corrective feedback. As you speak with them, first address their behavior. Focus upon their behavior and not on the person himself or herself. Secondly, describe the impact that their behavior had upon you or the situation. What happened or did not happen as a result. Next, let them know the consequence of their behavior. What broader outcome occurred or will occur as a result of this behavior. And then finally, offer them some alternatives for how they might better deal with the situation in the future. Here's an example of what this might look like. Let's say you're working with a trainer or a coordinator who is frequently late submitting reports. You might say something like the following. Friend, I noticed that this quarter you're again late submitting your report. This is their behavior. Because of this, we are unable to submit a complete report to our leadership. That's the impact. Timely, accurate reports are a commitment we have made to leadership, and by failing to provide these reports, we've violated our commitment and we've disappointed them and others. This could affect our grant. This is the consequence. As a suggestion, I can think of some ways to avoid this problem in the future. You might begin working earlier on the report 2 or 3 weeks sooner than you normally do. Or you might set aside 1 or 2 days to work on nothing but your report so that it's complete and submitted on time. These are possible alternatives. By providing corrective feedback that focuses on behavior, leaders are able to protect the relationship with the one being corrected. By making others aware of the impact and consequences of their behavior, we help them understand the larger picture and how their behavior affects ourselves and others. And lastly, by sharing possible behavioral alternatives, we help them consider possible changes they might make in the future. This has been a word of encouragement for village church planters.